Really?
Definitely
Here.
a collector.
Your husband. How are you? She can't remember if she came here yesterday. Where's? Oh yeah, Buc-ee's is a bomb.
That place is unbelievable, isn't it?
It's really fun, yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely the most fun gas station. The problem is, it's the only gas station I go to where I end up spending $100 every time I go.
Without gas. Forget gas. Yeah.
Yeah, plus gas, yeah.
Miscellaneous lumber.
Lumber?
100 take off.
Hmm. Oh wow, all that plywood?
Yes.
There's a deal you could send your husband, he might like.
But my husband might like that one.
Yeah.
With the need for this, we've had this sitting here after the projects here.
Yeah.
Over time, it's like, you know what? We could really use this.
And wood's so expensive right
We
now.
shopped online and it's less than half of what you pay.
Yeah. Yeah.
The full sheets and the 2x6 by 10s, soft treated, pressure treated.
He probably could use them.
Yeah.
I think. I don't know. Hey Al, this guy has miscellaneous lumber, 200 take off, 2 pieces, 3x4 by an 8x, 3 piece, 4x6, 1 piece, 775 by 3.
These are pressure treated, you said?
They're all pressure treated.
No, no, no.
No.
These are pressure 2x6 by 10s.
Tell him he's got nine pieces of plywood.
9 pieces of plywood,
4x8s.
4x8s, 4x8s.
And I've got
2.
a couple more of these pressure treated.
Some pressure treated 2x6s.
Okay, hold on a minute. Let me
Just
put you on-
FaceTime him, yeah.
Yeah, I'll FaceTime you and you can look at it. That's a good idea.
You guys don't have any old like rock band t-shirts, do you?
He's driving,
what?
I can't-
Like old
Rock
rock
band?
band t-shirts, like concerts that you went to, you know, when you were younger, anything like
Tell you
that?
what, got a whole bunch of vinyl.
Ooh, are you selling it?
I
Okay, hold on.
could.
Put him on
I
speaker.
mean, I wasn't prepared to do that today.
No,
My
it's
wife
no
was doing
rush.
this,
Yeah,
but
yeah, it's no
if
rush.
you've got your phone number,
Yeah.
It's $1.
because we got a lot of
He had
duplicates.
$2.
Okay.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah, like old rock stuff, preferably,
I
yeah.
mean, so put it this way, you know, I was in high school in the 70s.
My
twice.
husband.
Ah, really? Where in Connecticut did you
Tell him
work?
what you have.
Well, why don't you just FaceTime him
Hi,
and
sir,
show
how are
him?
He
you?
doesn't have FaceTime.
Oh.
Hey, so we've got our...
Alright, so let me turn my fan off. We've made a crucial mistake here. We called my dad because this guy is selling plywood and my dad just always needs materials for stuff he works on. And instead of yard sailing, we're now standing by this wood so no one buys it. And he says he'll be here in 10 minutes. So I don't know. I don't really know why. I could technically just pay the guy and then the guy could give the money to my dad if he doesn't want it.
Good question.
It
What
might-
is this?
I guess for broken knees.
Yeah.
This? Like that? Yeah. You put one
How
leg
much
up.
is it?
Okay. Nice little monitor stand.
Is your flamingo for sale?
I don't think that is. It's just my brother's stuff.
Oh.
He was just out here.
Gotcha.
Bathing suits for your kids.
The cartoon classics.
What?
The cartoon classics.
That's different, ain't it?
Yeah, that brings back the memories. Yeah, doing good. Shrek.
Everything, clothes, and you know, they're not even out. They said they were closing at 7:30, they're not even out. They probably were up all night just like, ah!
Yeah, all their stuff was wet. Oh, man. Yeah. The music maker at the piano. There's some hair here. What is this? Wow. Might want some hair. Want some hair?
It's all wood.
Crane and Co. This fan is cool.
Good morning.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
How much is your knee thing?
The neat thing, let me get.
I'm not here.
I thought you were the brother. He said the brother was.
That's
get
gonna
him.
take some wiring.
Yeah, that's the death trap.
Oh, forget that. The whole thing's.
Yeah,
That's not that expensive to do.
yeah.
Tina likes to.
Look at how close these. Yeah, see, look, these are gonna.
Oh, they're not. They're
Yeah.
locked up.
No, it actually is hitting this because this is bent. See,
You know what's funny?
it's not fixable, really. I
Back
mean, it is.
then, they didn't care. Hey, if a kid was stupid enough to put his finger in there, it was.
Didn't I think my brother put his finger in one
He
and
did.
got
He did.
really badly cut up?
He did. And whose fault?
That was your fault. No.
Hey, I get it, but then he learned. He didn't do it again.
And now, yeah, it was a one-time mistake.
Call him Stumpy.
Yep. All right, we can go.
He said 20 on that.
20. I mean,
You know where it is.
I could ask her.
Yeah.
Need a mom and a dad.
Morning.
Good morning.
How we doing?
Good.
Yeah, there you go. Twin beds and an overstuffed chair off white.
For $5 more, you need this.
Oh my God.
You don't need that one. Oh.
Look, they're just sold.
It's
Sorry.
a giant spoon.
See, they were the generator there.
Mom, for a big bowl of cereal? Do the whole box of cereal?
What did you say, Ed?
She's on the phone.
The mafia. The mafia down here.
I'll build myself a farm. That's cool.
Um,
Wow.
just, you want to look at the chair inside? No. No. Nothing.
They chatter.
Dad has a cell phone.
Oh, wait.
And the two children are by my pool already.
Wait. Mom's on the side.
Very cool art and stuff.
Not in my house. Well, actually, in my house,
Cool,
yes.
okay.
Yeah, you guys need some help biting those or you good? They're not.
The froggies.
Bucky's.
Yeah.
Look at this.
That's a cool dollhouse. Ma, did you see that dollhouse?
Yeah, I did it.
For Cherie's kids?
Yeah.
You don't think that's cool? That's kind of neat. If it opens.
I have no idea. It was
Yeah, it doesn't come up.
probably like that when they got it.
Looks like hand built though. It's cool.
Probably from Hobby Lobby.
I like that. Yeah, I've seen this. Cool. My kids are too old, but it's cool.
If they were the only house and there was no other house,
Yeah.
then people would say, what other
Well,
place
they're
would-
close to the only house.
One?
What is this? Instantly intrigued by this.
David.
What? James Bond VHS collection. That's cool. .007 collector's set. Yeah, I might get it. That's cool. Oh, two of them? Oh, they're all part of the same thing, I bet. Some old magazines.
Okay, yeah.
That's loud.
Don't they look like they go with it? They look like they don't. They were right with it. They were right with it.
I figured they were good. What are those?
Jack stands. Car stands.
This is cool.
Really?
Definitely in
Here.
collection.
Your husband. I was gonna have her call her husband and ask
Okay.
if he wanted it.
Okay. That is brand new,
Uh huh.
and it sells at Walmart or wherever that you
Yeah,
can
yeah.
buy them. $150.
Okay.
Now, I'm not talking about from eBay. I'm talking.
Okay.
So but I'm going to be very reasonable.
Okay, you just tell her a price. She can call her
This
husband.
Is
I was gonna ask about that,
a collector's
Okay.
item.
What's your price on it?
I want 100 for it.
100. What about these VHS?
$5 for those two.
Okay, I'll probably get these. I
course
don't
you will.
probably won't do 100 on that.
Well, make it, come back with
It's
a
cool.
counter offer.
Ooh.
Come back with a counter offer.
I
Dude,
can't.
the book, you know why it's so.
It might be worth
it's-
that. Yeah.
It's because it's
Yeah.
never been opened.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
I like it.
You know what
How
I'm
much
saying?
is this?
Yeah, you'd have to ask your husband what he'd pay for that.
Less than $50 for that.
Okay, all right.
You
I'm
could
just
ask him.
letting you know.
You could
What
ask
is
him.
it
If you
called?
go out and buy it,
Well, just send him a picture of it, because I know he's a tool guy, so he might
He probably
might
has
want it
one.
for that price.
that costs $150.
Yeah,
right now.
he collects tools, so he might
doesn't
want it.
collect them.
He might as well with his shop.
He uses them. I'll ask him. But 50's a lot.
50 is a lot. Yeah, I don't know if he'd do it for that, but it's definitely worth asking.
Give you the golf club. Say,
Oh yeah,
right there.
I have a lot of golf clubs already. Yeah, a lot of this stuff is brand new. But Procom Plus for Windows, some might be a little outdated.
I meant to call out. I'm sorry.
Oh, this is a cool little TV setup, huh?
Yeah, did you see
That's
the
neat.
picture I just sent you? Somebody might have already bought it. I don't see it.
No, it's right here. It's this fiberglass tape, 300-foot
Fiber-
measuring tape.
300 measuring tape. Well, he said it's brand new, and it goes at Walmart for 150, and he'll sell it for 50. No? Okay. All right. He has a 100-foot one, and he can use it 3 times. What is it? $9.90. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Alan David said you can get one for $9.95
Walmart.
for 300 feet.
Yeah.
They're not all grumpy old men in Florida.
No.
Sorry.
Really?
Lawn chairs.
Did you get the deep?
Look, Mom.
Or no? Oh, those? Yeah. I missed those.
I don't know. I never actually sell them. They're a pain to ship.
What?
They're a pain to ship and stuff, so I don't think I want them. $50.
Yeah. Did you get $50?
No, they're not worth it. I mean, he's got a lot of stuff. I'm not convinced he wants to sell it, though. I don't think he wants to sell it. I think someone's forcing him to do a yard sale, and he's not wanting to move anything. Yeah. Wow. Okay, so my trusting nature would not have paid off at that yard sale. I have never seen something so drastically overpriced as that yard sale. It was actually kind of surprising to me, and I even said to my mom, it just didn't seem like he wanted to sell anything. Pricing stuff so drastically above its actual value. That book, I mean, I know it was kind of fast and furious with the comps on screen, but that book, that Jacques Cousteau book, sells from $5 to $15 on eBay brand new, and he wanted $100 for it. He wanted $150 for that big long measuring tape. I didn't know what that was worth, so I was taking him at his word that it was a $150 item. I, of course, looked it up. I asked my dad, and he said not to get it. And when I looked it up, I saw it on eBay selling for $10 pre-owned, and you can get it brand new for $25 to $45. So just, and maybe he just, I don't like say he's being dishonest. It's possible he just forgot the value of these items or was incorrect about them. Like, I don't know if it was intentionally trying to rip people off, but it definitely was not good deals. The James Bond, you know, I found a comp that's had all those James Bond movies sell for $15. I found one that sold for $7, but it was only half of it. So Maybe it was $15 out of that, but it just didn't. The one that sold for 15 was sealed, and his was not sealed, so I just don't think it really had any value. And I think there was probably a bunch of stuff worth buying to resell, but his prices were kind of crazy. Like that old software, the old Windows software that's like brand new sealed. At a lot of yard sales, you might find something like that for 50 cents. And just that one I picked up, I looked it up. That one I picked up and kind of was joking about it being outdated. I can't remember what it was called. I think it was, Procom Plus. That sells for $18 on eBay in new condition. So if it was a normal yard sale and someone was selling that Procom Plus for 50 cents, you could grab it, sell it for $18, make a nice profit. But I just knew if I asked him, he'd be like, it's brand new and it's a $50 piece of software. Like, it just didn't seem worth it. He had some lawn chairs, and it's very possible he would have undervalued those, but I don't know. So something that wasn't caught on camera, and this was really kind of weird, is someone was walking away with a jack to jack up your car and 2 jack stands. It was a lady and her husband, and they were walking away back to their car with this jack and 2 jack stands. And he started yelling at them and saying, hey, put those back, right? And he was talking about the jack stands. And it was a set. It was like a black and yellow jack with black and yellow jack stands right next to it. I guess they had made a deal on the price for it with him, assuming it was all 3 items. And he had given them a price, but it was only for the jack itself. And so they were walking away, and he was yelling at them to put it back because they were trying to steal the jack stands, basically. Or that he thinks they were trying. And they were like, sorry, we thought it was included with that price. You know, we didn't realize that was only for that one item. And so there was like this big hubbub about that as well. I didn't see the whole thing go down, but my guess is the price was so high, they probably assumed it was everything and they were just incorrect. So anyways, it was just, I thought I'd put the footage in. I didn't even buy anything at that sale, but I wanted to put it in just because I thought it was a really kind of a wild experience and you might enjoy seeing it. It was interesting. And really, this is another one of those videos where I actually don't think I bought anything. My dad bought a bunch of wood from that one guy, which was a great deal. I just have nowhere to put it. But that much lumber is going to cost $400 or $500 right now. So for $200, it was a decent buy. And then I did go to that sale with all that crocheted, like, paintings and stuff. I don't know if that's worth anything. I was hoping you guys could tell me if that stuff's worth buying. I think it's really cool. My wife probably wouldn't like it in the house because it doesn't match our decor. But I do love it and the work that was put into it. I think it was probably done by the people at the sale, so I just don't know if that had any resale value. I was curious what you guys thought on that front. Anyways, yeah, interesting day of sales. No real profitable items, but I thought it would be fun to tag along. You guys have a good day. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and check out this video next.